Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make lamb keema curry. Some of you had asked for this recipe, so here it is. Keema means ground meat, and you can make this curry with different types of meat. I'm using ground lamb. This is a boneless leg of lamb that I cut up into cubes, and I'll grind it with a meat grinder attachment on my Kitchenaid stand mixer. Of course, you can buy already ground meat. The grinding though goes really fast. In just a few minutes, you have fresh ground meat. Here are all the simple ingredients. The ground meat, chopped red onion, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic, and green chilies, tomato puree. I took whole canned tomatoes and put them in a food processor. You can use fresh or canned. Cumin seeds, ground turmeric, ground coriander, red chili powder, and garam masala. Heat up a pot and add oil. When the oil is hot, add cumin seeds. They'll sizzle and turn color in just a few seconds. Add the onion. A little salt and saute for a minute. Then add the garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute until golden brown. Now add the coriander, turmeric, and chili powder. Stir for 10-15 seconds. Now the tomato puree. Stir and cook until the oil separates. A little salt. You see the mixture has gotten thick. Add the ground lamb. Break up the meat and mix. What makes this much easier is adding water. There's no fighting the meat anymore. It's very soft and easy to mix. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the lamb is tender. Since it's ground meat, cooking time is short. When the lamb is almost done, add garam masala, cover and cook for 2 more minutes. Taste and add salt if you need to. Thick keema curry. Don't cook it any longer. You want it to be thick but not dry. It should have some moisture. You can add a little bit of lemon juice if you like. Chopped cilantro leaves are a nice addition. Juicy and tasty keema curry. I already ate it, but looking at this picture, I want to make it again. This is another recipe you can use when you're short on time. It takes less than 45 minutes, including prep, if you have the ground meat ready to go. Make this and let me know how you like it. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.